Hello students, welcome to our sixth lesson. Today we are going to talk about the PBL. Do you know what does it stands for? PBL, it is project-based learning, and we also have another types of problem-based learning. What is it? What is PBL? Project-based learning immerses students in real, engaging projects. Students gain knowledge and skills addressing authentic problems, fosters collaboration, critical thinking, and creative problem solving. It also prepares students for challenges beyond the classroom environment. We have some key elements for today's topic. The first one is realism. What is it? Projects address actual problems such as pollution or local tourism development. Collaboration. Teamwork is essential. Students share responsibility and work together. Planning. Develop clear project plans with goals, stages, and expected outcomes clearly defined. The last one is reflection. After the project, students analyze and evaluate their learning experiences and project outcomes critically. PBL success metrics should have high engagement level, great skill development, and strong practical application. We have some benefits for using PBL in our teaching process. Firstly, it increases student motivation and engagement due to relevance to real-world problems. Secondly, development of critical skills, problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, and communication skills. Thirdly, deeper understanding of subject matter through practical application and active learning. In the same way, we have some challenges for using these methods. What are they? It requires careful planning, resource management, and structured guidance from the educator. Assessment can be complex, requiring consideration of multiple factors, not just the final results. Potential for uneven contribution from group members needs carefully monitoring and facilitation. How can we implement PBL in our teaching process? The first phase is problem selection. We choose some problem, let our learners discuss. Identify real-world problems relevant to student interests and curriculum. Our second phase is project design. Plan project stages, define roles, and design assessment rubric for evaluation. If we give a perfect, correct assessment rubrics, our students can do it. The third phase is execution and reflection. Monitor progress and facilitate student reflection on learning. I will also show you some PBL task examples, practical tasks. The first one is eco campaign. We can use it in our CLIL classroom or geography classroom. Students design and implement a campaign to promote environmental awareness in their school. How they can do activity for protect our environment. It's real life situations. Second example is tourist guide. It's very interesting topic, right? create a tourist guide for their city, highlighting attractions, history, and local cultures. Community issue. Address a community issue like waste management through research, solutions, and proposals. If we give interesting topics, interesting problems, our students will do it their best. And how about the assessment criteria? The first criteria is content, accuracy, depth, and the relevance of information presented in the project work. Second criteria will be creativity, originality, innovation, and the imaginative solutions or approaches within the project. Third, teamwork, collaboration, communication, and the equitable contribution among team members throughout. Presentation, clarity, organization, and effectiveness of the final project report or presentation delivered. How about our today's homework? Create your PBL plan. Identify a real-world problem applicable to your project. Develop a project proposal with goals and outcomes. Design a rubric for evaluating the project success. Prepare an infographic or PowerPoint presentation slide or visualize your project. Our today's lesson is over. See you next time.